So we're asked to work out 7 over 3 plus 2 over 5u. Well, because we're adding a fraction, first thing we need to do is find a common denominator. To do this, we can multiply our two original denominators together. So 3 times 5u, that gives us 15u. So our two denominators are now going to be 15u. If we see we've multiplied this 3 by this 5u, and we've multiplied this 5u by this 3. Now we need to do the same on the tops as we've done on the bottom. So because we've times this one by 5u, we've got to times the top plus 7 by 5u as well. So 7 times 5u gives us 35u. And we've got to do the same for this second fraction. So we times the bottom by 3, we've got to times the top by 3 as well. So 2 times 3, of course, gives us 6. Now we've got our common denominators, we can just add our two top parts together. So our denominator stays as 15u. And because we've not got like terms on the top, we can't really do much to add those together. So we just leave it as 35u plus 6. So our answer is 35u plus 6 over 15u. Now if we look at a question where we've got to subtract, so we've got 5w over 3 minus 9 over 2. We've got to start the same way we find our common denominator. We can do this again by multiplying our two original denominators together. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. So we've multiplied this 3 by this 2. We've multiplied this 2 by this 3. And again, we've got to do the same to the top of our fractions. So we multiply this one by 2. So we multiply the top by 2 as well. So 5w times by 2 gives us 10w. And look, we multiply our second fraction, top and bottom, by 3. So 9 times by 3 gives us 27. And now we've got our two denominators the same. We can keep the 6 on the bottom, and because we don't know what this w is, we haven't got like terms, we just leave it as 10w minus 27. So our answer, 10w minus 27 over 6.